Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today's question on linked list is pairwise swap elements of a linked list, which states that given a singly linked list of size n, the task is to swap elements in the linked list pairwise. For example, if the input list is 1, 2, 3, 4, the output linked list will be 2, 1, 4, 3. Let's have a look at the examples. In case of example 1, the input linked list is 1, 2, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if we pairwise swap the elements, we get the output linked list as 2, 1, 4, 2, 6, 5 and 8, 7. Similarly, in case of example 2, the input list is 1, 3, 4, 7, 9, 10, 1 and the output list will be 3, 1, 7, 4, 10, 9 and since 1 does not have a pair to swap with, so 1 remains as it is. So now let's have a look at the approach to solve this particular problem. The intuition behind solving this problem is that at a time we consider a pair of nodes or two nodes, then we swap those nodes and then we point the next pointer of the end node to the next pair. The right side of the screen shows the algorithm where we have a function called pairwise swap whose argument is the head pointer of the linked list. Initially, we declare few node pointers, namely temp, first and second, as well as we create an integer value called flag and assign it to 0. So first we check for the condition whether if second of next is not equal to null, which is true. So we enter the while loop and we make first as second of next. So first point to the node 3. Then we update second of next as first of next. That is the next pointer of the node 1 will now point to the node 4 and we make first of next as second, that is we swap the first two nodes 1 and 3. Then we check for the condition whether if flag is equal to 0, which is true, so we update head as first. So now a new head will be the node 3 and we make second as second of next. So now second points to the node 4 as well as first also point to the node 4. So we have reached at a first condition where the pointer first and second were both pointing to the same node. Then we check whether if second is equal to null, which is false. So we update a value of flag as 1 and again check for the same condition, that is second of next is not equal to null, which is true. So again we enter the while loop, we make first as second of next. So now first points to the node 7. Then we make the next pointer of node 4 to point to the node 9 and we make first of next as second, that is we swap the next pair which is 4 and 7 and this time the value of flag is not equal to 0, so we are in a else part. We make temp of next as first, that is the next pointer of the node 1 which was initially pointing to 4 will now point to the node 7 and we make temp as second, so the pointer temp will be now pointing to 4 and we update second as second of next, so second points to the node 9. We also make first as second, so we are in the same condition where both the node pointers first and second are pointing to the same node. Again we check whether if second is equal to null, which is false. So we check for the condition whether if second of next is not equal to null, but second of next is actually null, therefore we exit the while loop and we return the head pointer. So updated linked list would look somewhat like 3, 1, 7, 4 and 9. Now let's have a look at our actual code. The driver code is already given and we just need to complete the function pairwise swap whose argument is the head of the linked list. So as we have seen in the explanation part, we have created 3 node pointers and pointed them to head, namely temp, first and second, as well as we have created an integer value flag which is assigned to 0. So initially in the while loop we check for the condition whether if second of next is not equal to null, and if this condition is true then we enter the while loop, we make first as second of next and we point the next pointer of the second node to the next pointer of the first node. Then we make first of next as second. Then we check whether if flag is equal to 0, if so we update head as first, and if flag is not equal to 0 then we make temp of next as first and temp as second. So after the if else condition, we make second as second of next and first as second. And finally we check for the condition whether if second is equal to null, and if so we break out of the while loop, else we update the value of flag as 1 and finally we return the head pointer. So we can compile a code now. Since the compilation is successful, we can submit it. and our code got submitted successfully. So if you found the video helpful, then do hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such upcoming videos on must do coding questions for interview preparations. Thank you.